Now we're going to go over the different types of wallets that we're going to explain. So crypto wallets are what we use to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. And each type of wallet each have their own feature sets, benefits, and downsides. So let's talk about the different wallets. So the first one is cold wallets. So cold wallets are kind of types of wallets that are hardware or paper wallets that store cryptocurrency private keys offline, and they're very safe to use. Hot wallets are software or online types of wallets that store the private keys online, but they're more vulnerable to attacks. Then we have hardware wallets. So these are physical devices. An example would be the popular Ledger Nano or the Trezor. These are physical, like USB stick digital devices that store your cryptocurrency private keys offline, which add an extra layer of security. Now, these are considered one of the very safest of ways to store crypto, and they have features like self-destruct and other security methods to them. Then we have software wallets. So these digital wallets can be downloaded as software on your computer or on a mobile device, and they're much more convenient and user-friendly, right? Although they can be kind of more vulnerable to hacking and cyber attacks from viruses or exploits. And they kind of rely on you having very good personal security methods in place, and also things like antiviruses. So you can't just be stupid and download random software if you're going to store your crypto on a software wallet. Then we have online wallets. So these are called web wallets sometimes. Online wallets are usually hosted by third-party services. So these are usually wallets on crypto exchanges. So if I have Coinbase and BINANCE as the two main platforms I buy, sell, and trade on, then using their profile wallet or their web wallet to store my money on would not be a very good idea, okay? They're very convenient, but you don't actually own your own private keys to that wallet or the recovery codes. And if anyone hacks the general exchange, then you can lose all your money, and you will lose it permanently, as is what happened in the certain situations like Mt. Go, which got hacked, and also the collapse of FTX, okay? That's just basically a historical reminder: don't leave your money on a web wallet or an exchange. Then we have paper wallets. So these are basically physical documents that contain your public and private keys for storing your crypto. These are considered as one of the more secure of ways if they're kept in a secure location, because anything which is a physical object, I just basically have the panic that it's going to get lost or thrown away. So you need to be really careful. Anything that's a device or a physical thing can get lost, and then you lose your money. There was one guy that had like $250 million of Bitcoin on a hard drive, and he lost it, and he's still been digging for it ever since. So just don't do that.